Hi friends. So in the previous lecture we have learned how you can use T and XR command with piping and build some more powerful command, right? So let's move ahead and let's understand about aliases, how you can create aliases for your pipelines so that it will be easier for all of the stuffs of the pipes you can get it out with a single word. Okay, so let's move ahead to on our Ubuntu VM and let's understand this. So for creating aliases for your pipelines or any command, so what you need to do, you need to create a special file called .bash underscore aliases. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to the text editor. Of course I can do that by command line with some touch command and vim editor, but I don't want to do that because I want to keep it for separate lecture. So I will go ahead and open my text editor. Okay, now I will save it. I'm not writing anything to it. So currently there are bunch of files. So what I will do, I will type dot bash underscore aliases A-L-I, sorry, IASES. Okay, and I will hit save. Now I've done that. I will navigate to my home folder. Now by default it will be not showing your hidden files. So what you can do, you can go to your hamburger menu and you can click on show hidden files, so it will show you the hidden files. So here it is my file. Okay, now let me open this text file. So for creating aliases, what we did, let me extend it or maximize font, and I will make it 25 would be good. I will hit close. Now what we were doing with the date command in the earlier section, so we use T command to take a snapshot of whatever we have in the original, and also we have saved it to a new file by modifying it. See, okay, now let's see this how you can do this. So I will type date, pipe it to T, and here I will type full date.txt. Is this right? So no, it is not. Why? Because I am at my home folder. If I will suppose if I am opening the terminal from any other other file location, so how you would suggest that? So it is not good. So hence we will give absolute path for this. So we will learn more about absolute and relative path later in the section. So I will give home and my username is DevOps. So let me not save it on my home folder. Let me save it on my desktop folder. So that it will be visible on the real time. Okay. Now this was done. Now I will space and pipe it to what? Cut delimiter. What is a delimiter? So we have a spacing in the delimiter, and then we have selected the fields equal to 1, and then I will pipe it to another T command, and I will copy this and I will paste this here, and I will give it a name today. Okay, today.txt, and then I will let's so for so if you will type till then, so what it will do, it will just create two files, but I want to print something on the command also stick. Okay, then I will pipe it to xargs command also, xargs echo hello. So you might have remembered the T will create a snapshot for all the things and pass it to the next one, and X arcs what it will do. So basically it will pass. So what it will do, it will take the previous command and pass the whatever it is written here. So it will print hello and then here. Okay. Now we have written the command. So suppose you need to type this in real time. So it is very hectic, right? So you do not need to command type this command again and again. So what you will do? So you will type here alias alias. Now what you want to give the alias name? So I will give a get today. Okay, get today, and I will type equal, and then I will put them in quotes. Okay, so there is a keyword called alias, then I have given any name, whatever you can put a name, and then I have typed the command and I put them in quotes. All right, now let me hit save. Okay, it's done. Now if I will open my terminal, if it is already open, then you need to reopen it. Now I'm in here. Okay, so here it is saying invalid alias name because it has detected some of, there is something might be different. If you will see, so it is saying pass aliases state is invalid alias name. So if I will go back to my alias folder, okay, so here we have passed a space in between them, so it is not detecting. So what I will do, I will close this space because there should not be space, as it is taking the whole alias name as equal to and then space and then colon and then whatever it is. So the spacing should not be there. I will hit save by pressing Ctrl and S. I will exit the terminal. I will exit the terminal. I will open the terminal again. As I am changing all to my desktop, I will minimize this one and I will navigate this one a bit. Now, if I will type get today and hit enter, so what it did, it it took our echo hello and xargs command and put hello Thursday, and also what it did, it given two files as output. So it was a today.txt. So if I will see this one today.txt, and also it gave me the full date.txt. All right, so now if I will go back to my alias folder, and where is my alias file, here it is. Now let's build one more powerful alias. So suppose if you want to print out your calendar, so we have seen the command, what command it was. So it was cal option A1 and option B1. Okay, so what this option was doing, so suppose I am passing this as command, so what it was doing, so it was printing 1 month after and 1 month before calendar of December 2017. Okay, so now I don't want to put this in here. I want to put this while passing the arguments. Okay, so what I will do, I will cut this, and first I will put this to a file. Let me paste here and let me paste here, and I will give it a name, magic calendar. Okay, .txt. Now I will pass this as xargs, so that whatever I will pass while command argument, it will pass through this command. Okay, so if I will type pass this thing, let me first give it the alias name, alias equal to cal magic. Okay, I'll give it a name, I will type equal to, and there was some quotes, so I we have given a single quotes. There is no quotes here, so I will give double quotes here. Okay, so I will give a cal magic alias name. So what, whenever I will enter cal magic, so it will pass this thing, but it needs an argument, so we will pass then 12 2017. Okay, or whatever you date you want to enter. But so we have passed this one here, so we have passed alias cal magic and xargs equal, then cal option A p1 and then home user thing.txt. Okay, I think we are good. All right, so let me hit save. Now I will go back to my terminal. I will exit this, if there are any error in my alias, so there is spacing, let me close this. Okay, so if there are any error in my base underscore aliases file, it will give me an error while opening the command. So now it didn't, and it's in my desktop folder, so I will minimize this. Now if I will type cal magic, okay, no, let's, so xargs was supposed to take input from echo, so I will give echo. Okay, now let me give what, so let me give 11 2023. Okay, and then I will pipe it to cal magic. Let me also open the bash profile thing. So I am taking input from a cal magic, so what, now cal magic will pass as a xargs to it, and it will take whatever I am typing from the echo, so it will pass to this one. Okay, and what it will do, it will save it to this file on the on my desktop. So we are good. Now let me hit enter. So it has saved that file with magiccal.txt. So I will hit enter. So it has already entered, and you can see. So it was printing 11 November 2023, and 1 month after and 1 month before. Okay, 1 month before and 1 month after. So it did that. So yeah, that's a very powerful, and you need to make sure that you are saving the bash underscore aliases file the same name as it is, and you can create the aliases by keyword alias and whatever your name. Ensure you do not give space here as I you will lost like me. And then if there are any colon bit semi double quotes between them, you need to keep in single quotes, and if there are not, you can keep them in double quotes. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and in the next video we will start module 4, and we will learn about module file permissions and command. Okay, so till then, take care and bye.